Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's fun Thanksgiving video, I want to show you guys how to draw a piece of pecan pie. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin right across the top here. And I'm going to start by making some kind of bumpy lines. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make some big, kind of curvy, bumpy lines. And they can be different sizes too. They don't all have to be the same size. Some can be a little bit smaller than others. Next, what I want to do is I want to draw a line that's going to come down here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. This one's going to be a little bit taller than this one. Next, I'm going to start here, and I just want to draw a line that's going to connect them. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's just going to run right across that line that I just drew. And then I'm going to bring this up to about here. So it kind of lines up with that line I just drew. Now, what I want to do on the top here is I want to make it look like there are pecans on the top, and that's why we made this all bumpy. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make kind of like an oval shape right along here. You can see it just fits right into there. Now, I'm going to do this all the way across here. Some of these are going to be a little bit bigger, some of these are going to be a little bit longer, and I'm just going to make these little pecan shapes all along here. Do another one here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a few more bumpy lines all the way to here. And then I'm going to add just a couple more going down to the end. Then just kind of like what I did here, I'm going to add some more of these curved lines. I'll add another one or two right in the middle here. And then I'm just going to use these and just kind of draw some different little shapes right around here. Now, right now, it just kind of looks like we have a bunch of ovals sitting on top of our pie. So we want to make these look like pecans. Now, to do that, we're going to draw some different little lines across here. So right along some of these, I'm just going to add a couple little lines. I might make some of them come down this way. I might make some of them just have one on there, but I just want to add some different little lines just to help make these look like they are pecans. So we're just going to add some different little lines coming from different sides, and I'm just going to kind of add these all across, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that just curls out. And it's going to come back. And then I'm going to make it kind of wavy across here. And I'm just going to continue this to here, and then I'm just going to curl it down. Then right here, we're just going to add a little curved line. And I'm going to just make a few little extra lines right in there on our pie. Now, I want to have a little bit of fun with this, so I want to put a face on our pie. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to add a circle for an eye, and then I'll add another circle for another eye. I'm going to add a nice big pupil inside each one. We'll add a little straight line across. And a big smiley face on here with a little sad face in there for the tongue. Then we can color this part in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a piece of pecan pie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.